Before we got started, I wanted to show you this bad boy. Yeah, it's alright. But yeah, well, she got a little scuffed coming out of the factory, didn't she?
It's a crazy belt.
Look at that belt, yeah. It's a big boy. But, and then here she is right here. Go on there. Uh-oh, didn't mean to do that. Hey. But here she is in all her glory. And we'll do a walk around about it here in a minute. Make sure I don't step on nothing. Yeah. This thing's a freaking beast. What's up, guys? Colton All In Lawn Equipment, Newton, North Carolina, 6200 cat diesel, 48 horse, 15-gallon fuel capacity. We just got that bad boy. We just put her together. She's ready to rock and roll. I'm gonna let you hear her purr real quick, and then I'll tell you about the specs on this bad boy real fast. Let me get my reclined seat backwards a little bit, my lumbar support disengaged. Listen to this bad boy. You hear that turbo? That is so badass. Pull this bad boy off real quick. Uh-oh. We could use some more feet space right here, but that's okay. Let me show you this while it's turned on. You go from idle, 1200 RPM, straight to max. Or you can just go back to idle. It's pretty cool. Another thing, hydraulic deck lift. Let her down real quick. Check that, dude.
Really good.
That is sick. So, let me tell you about the specs on this bad boy. 6200. Independent suspension on the frame, obviously. Double shocks on the back. This bad boy weighs 2,500 pounds. So you ain't gonna wanna get it on your super nice yards. But I will tell you something. They tell you with the 40 horse on the 3300 and the 38.5 horse on the 3300, the Vanguard and the Cowie, that you can run full sticks and cut even and it'll leave it nice. Depending on the variables, yeah. But with this, you can for sure cut at full sticks. Right here. Figure out how to get this damn thing open. There it is. That is your 48 horsepower turbo Caterpillar right there. Some people are gonna comment and say it's a Perkins, but whatever. Whether it's a Perkins or not, it's got a cat sticker on it. 48 horse. So as you're going that full 12 miles an hour, and I've posted videos about it, it will leave a clean cut. And I'm telling you, it's throwing it out. It's throwing it out to here. Legit. 26 by 12 tires on the back. You can get those Michelin wheels. Those will fit. Like I said, dual shocks on the back. You got not 11. You got 15-gallon fuel capacity on the diesel right here. Show them the nice sticker right here. That looks nice. I love the back of this machine. It looks so freaking cool. 15-gallon fuel capacity. Comes standard in a 72-inch deck. I also like how they have these things fully covered. If you buy something like this, you're cutting a crap load of grass. So having that covered right there is very nice. 13-inch front flat free casters. Another thing I would like to see Ferris do, if possible, update this IS suspension to the ISX suspension. So instead of the 1, 2 pivot points right here, you would have 4, like your ISX on your 33s, 22s, and 8s. But And then you obviously got your high back suspension seat, reclines, lumbar support, adjustable armrest, adjustable to your weight. Let me show you up under here. That thing's got about a freaking car battery. Fairly accessible up under here. Obviously you want to keep everything free of debris. They run the Parker wheel and pump motor setup. I should know this off the top of the head, but I don't. I want to say it's like a 20cc pump and then like a 16 or a 20cc wheel motor on there. But like I said, this unit, whenever we post reels about it, specifically the reels, stupid views. Everybody's interested in this thing. We sold one of them last year. The guy licks his fingers every time he gets on it. He loves this thing. I'm not gonna say how much it was, but if you DM me, I'll tell you, because Ferris is getting on me about some of that stuff. But our goal is to get eyes on the product. So last year when we had one of these things, we set it right there beside that 3300, and the dude walked in, he said, how much for it? And he brought 10 grand cash, put it down, and then stroked a check for the rest of it. So, crowd favorite, you know, like I said, 48 horse Caterpillar on it. Suspension seat, independent suspension on the frame. You ain't lacking no power. The cut height actually goes up to 6 on this unit. So you'll go 6 all the way down to, I should know that off the top of the head too, but I don't. It looks like 1.5. So you're never gonna lack any power on this. Another thing I'd like to see Ferris do, if possible, make this shaft driven. The belt's cool and all, but we want shaft driven 48 horse Big Daddy kitty cat. So we got this unit down here in stock. It's all in lawn equipment in Newton, North Carolina. It don't matter where you're at, who you are, what you want to buy, we'll probably get you covered. Financing, cash, write a check, whatever it is, we got you covered. But this is the IS 6200 48 horse Caterpillar 72 inch hydraulic deck lift right there. All in, because half end don't cut it. Let me know.